Good morning, everyone. It's the morning of my ride on the Munda Biddi. I've dramatically changed the design of my bike today. Late last night. I've added my saddlebag, handlebar bags, and also I put in a different frame bag. I've repacked again and again, got this design down. I think it's good to go. Yeah, about to go to the train station, catch the 5:15 train into the city, then from the city to Midland, and then Midland I'll start cycling to the start of the Munda Biddi, which is about a 16-kilometre cycle from the Midland station. Just want to woke up this morning, found out the Queen Elizabeth died. Condolences. Yeah, she's going to be missed. Anyway, thought I'd just give you a morning update of the start of the Munda Biddi. What a beautiful morning. 9th of September 2022. Heading off on the first part of the trip on the Munda Biddi, heading to Fremantle train station. Anyway, I'll catch you soon. Got another 20 minutes before the train station opens. So we're going from Fremantle all the way to Perth, the same line. So I stay on the train and it goes all the way to Midland, and that's why I'll be getting off this train. So good, excellent pod system here. Right, I arrived in Midland, an hour train ride from Fremantle. Now it's about a 3 kilometre track ride to the Bellevue RSL. At the Bellevue RSL is the start of the Heritage Trail that goes to Mundaring. So here's Midland, and the Bellevue RSL is what you need to put in. And it's only 3 kilometres away from the Midland station. Then from Bellevue, it's a 14 odd kilometre ride along the Heritage Trail. Just cycling the short 3 kilometres to the Bellevue RSL, to the start of the Heritage Trail, to get you to Mundaring. To the overpass. Just as you get past at the next light, you turn left, and that will take you to the Bellevue RSL and the start of the Heritage Trail. A sad day today. The Queen died. I remember seeing her in London. Must have been 8 or 9 years old. Mum and Dad took me to London for some parade. I saw her as she was coming out of the palace. Anyway, she kept that family strong, I tell you. I'm definitely a believer in the royal family and what it stands for. She's going to be missed by all, I think. Anyway, enough said on the young lady. I'll let her join her husband. Alright, just arriving at the Bellevue RSL Club. Massive parking lot, so you can usually park around here and do a big loop on the Heritage Trail that starts here and goes through Mundaring, loops back around and comes back to the start point here. Awesome trail. Anyway, here's the RSL. Yeah. The flags will be at half mast. I'm sure when the members get in today.
Anyway, the Heritage Trail starts here all the way to Mundaring. So from Midland to the Bellevue RSL, it's 3.4 kilometres. A nice gentle ride. Oh, I've started the rail trail just now. Just 2.5 kilometres out of from the Bellevue RSL on the Heritage Trail, heading to Mundaring. The track is like this the whole way. Beautiful, you know. Heritage trails in Australia, there's so many of them. If I had the expertise, I'd do an app, just like the Munda Biddi app for all the heritage trails in Australia. Well, there could be one. If anyone knows if there's one, put a comment. We'd love to know. Let's stay off all the main roads then. Anyway, back to it. About 3 or 4 roads you have to cross on this heritage trail. Anyway, this one being the biggest one. All the other ones are like side roads. One other little bit busy road, but that's about it. Yeah, pretty easy. Just follow the road, follow the track. The track will take you to freedom. So we reached Darlington Station. There's toilets, cafes, somewhere to fill your water up, lots of places, post office, just another road crossing. And well, 2 more to go on this heritage trail. Anyway, back on. Righto, we've reached Mundaring, 16.2 kilometres from the Bellevue RSL. The track was easy, slight incline the whole way, however, but going track was extremely easy. Beautiful. There's numerous coffee shops and toilets on the way. Righto, here, ladies and gentlemen, is the northern terminus of the Munda Biddi. give you a quick tour of the park. That's from the back of the sign. Over there you got coffee shops, McDonald's, IGA, everything. It's a great little town. Here's the front of the sign. A little park here. In the park they have cooking facilities. They have water, so you can, if you don't want to bring water from the from Midland, you can just fill up right here. Yeah, good little town. Oh, get some photos. I'll start the track. So it's 9 o'clock on the 9th of the 9th, and I'm just about to start my Munda Biddi north to south trek. Righto, here we go. Alright, see these signs? You follow the blue, the yellow background with the blue. Alright, that's the Munda Biddi sign. That will take you all the way to Albany, usually on the yellow post. Anyway, tips for young players. So far, pretty good. The tracks are awesome. Every turn or intersection there's a sign, tells you which way to go. Yeah, this is beautiful. No people, no life, as in the human race. It's me and the bush. Love it. Alright, till another time, bye.